Hey folks, so we are about 2 weeks out from Thanksgiving, so you may be meal prepping right now, and if you are hosting, you may be figuring out what wine you want to have at the Thanksgiving table or what wine to bring if you're going over to someone else's home. So I'm going to be sharing over the next couple of weeks a lot of pairing suggestions as well as basic rule of thumbs for pairing wine with all the dishes that could be at the Thanksgiving table and get you all squared away so that you're drinking some delicious wine on Turkey Day. So we're gonna start off today with talking about a classic side for Thanksgiving, and that is mashed potatoes. So a common, one rule that you really should adhere to when it comes to pairing wine and food is that you never wanna pair the wine with a starch. So potato, bread, pasta, you want to pair it with the sauce. And so when you're thinking about a mashed potato, it's creamy, there's butter in there, there's sour cream. If you're awesome, there's also some cheese in there. So you really want to be thinking of the pairing for the butter, the sour cream, the cheese, and mashed potatoes are rich and creamy and just, they give you a warm hug. And so for the wine that I would pick for this, I would, if you want to play up the creaminess of the mashed potatoes and have something that's super aromatic to go along with it to kind of punch it up, I would go with a Viognier, and I'll post in the comments where you can find some great Viogniers in your bottle shop. And then I also would go a Chardonnay. Now, if you want to offset the creaminess of the mashed potatoes with some bright acidity, I would go with a sparkling Chardonnay, which would be a Blanc de Blancs. So those would be my two picks. There's obviously many more wines that go with mashed potatoes, but do not want to overwhelm you. So that's it for today. Okay, bye.